2025 Ford Mustang Dark Horse, next-gen performance tested. The 2025 Ford Mustang Dark Horse represents the pinnacle of the 7th-generation Mustang lineup, combining classic American muscle car heritage with modern performance engineering. Designed for enthusiasts who crave both track capability and street presence, the Dark Horse is the most aggressive road-going Mustang to roll out of Ford's factory without a Shelby badge. Muscular design with aerodynamic purpose. From the first glance, the Dark Horse communicates its performance intent. The front fascia features a unique gloss black grille, larger air intakes, and a redesigned splitter to improve cooling and downforce. Signature LED headlights with smoke lenses give it a menacing look, while the sculpted hood vents improve airflow and engine breathing. Exclusive color options, such as the striking blue ember metallic, pair with darkened badges, quad exhaust tips, and an optional appearance package with carbon fiber rear wing. The 19-inch lightweight alloy wheels, wrapped in high-performance Pirelli tires, complete the Dark Horse's track-ready stance. Coyote V8 power with modern refinements. Under the hood lies the most powerful non-Shelby 5.0-liter Coyote V8 ever fitted to a production Mustang. Tuned specifically for the Dark Horse, it delivers 500 horsepower and 418 lb-ft of torque, paired with a Tremec 6-speed manual transmission for purists, or an advanced 10-speed automatic for those who prioritize precision and speed. The upgraded cooling system includes dual throttle bodies, additional radiators, and improved oil cooling, ensuring consistent performance even during extended track sessions. A Torsen limited slip differential and Magnaride adaptive dampers enhance handling and stability. Track-focused chassis and braking. The 2025 Dark Horse features a strengthened chassis, upgraded sway bars, and a unique suspension calibration for sharper cornering response. Brembo's 6-piston front brake calipers clamp down on massive 15.4-inch rotors, offering fade-free stopping power. The steering is precise and responsive, making the Dark Horse equally at home on winding roads and race circuits. An available handling package adds wider wheels, stickier tires, and an adjustable rear wing, giving serious track day drivers an edge. Driver-centric interior. Inside, the Dark Horse blends modern tech with a race-inspired layout. Suede and leather sports seats with deep indigo blue accents provide excellent support, while the flat-bottom steering wheel features anodized silver paddle shifters for the automatic variant. A customizable 12.4-inch digital instrument cluster and a 13.2-inch SWANC4 infotainment display sit under a single glass panel, offering seamless control of driving modes, performance data, and navigation. Ford's Track Apps suite provides real-time lap timers, G-force measurements, and acceleration data. Safety meets performance. While performance is the headline, Ford hasn't neglected safety. Standard features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and pre-collision braking. These systems ensure the Dark Horse is as manageable in daily driving as it is exhilarating on the track. Final verdict. The 2025 Ford Mustang Dark Horse is not just another Mustang, it's a statement. With 500 horsepower, advanced suspension tuning, and track-focused upgrades, it delivers an authentic performance experience that stays true to the Mustang's legacy while embracing modern engineering. For enthusiasts, it's proof that the muscle car era isn't just alive, it's evolving.